Assalamu alaikum guys, today we'll be making layered Yemeni flatbread. For this recipe we'll need 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unbleached all-purpose flour, 2 cups of water, a third cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of salt, and ghee or butter. Add the flour, salt, water, and oil into a large bowl and knead. Once the dough is firm, add a bit of water onto it and let it rest for 10 minutes. After the dough has rested, knead it until it absorbs all the water. After you're done, cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. Once the 30 minutes are up, cut the dough into 5 medium-sized pieces. Sprinkle flour on the surface of the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. After the dough has rested, flatten it and add butter or ghee and flour between each fold as shown. Cover the dough with plastic wrap. Continue to repeat the same steps for the rest of the dough. After you're done folding the dough, flatten it as shown. Lift the dough in this manner to prevent it from breaking. Place the dough on a preheated greased pan and let it stay on medium heat. Once the bread rises and the other side is golden, grease the surface with oil and flip it. Grease the golden side with oil as well and press down on all the edges of the bread to allow the bottom side to become golden too. After a few seconds, take the dough off the heat. This is an easier way to flatten and lift the dough for beginners. Grease your working table with oil and place wax paper on top of it. Then place the dough on top of the wax paper and flatten it as shown. Gently lift the wax paper in this manner and place it on top of a heated and greased pan. Follow the steps that were provided in the first method from this point forward. Your layered Yemeni flatbread is now ready. Enjoy! Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.